Are you planning to roam around this Christmas? Don't know where to go for the holiday? Well, worry no more, because we are here to show you how to make the most of the coming holiday. In this video, we'll share with you the top Christmas towns in America. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of this luxurious stuff. So if you are interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Let's roam around America to find the best spot for Christmas. Let's start with Leavenworth, Washington, the perfect place for a white Christmas. This small mountain town has a charming Bavarian-style vibe, especially during the holidays when it's covered in snow and adorned with over 500,000 lights. It looks like a winter wonderland straight out of a snow globe. During Christmas in Leavenworth, you can enjoy unique traditions like a Santa costume display, a lively gingerbread house competition, and the chance to win a Christmas tree decorated with Leavenworth-themed gifts. If you love snowy activities, there are options like sledding, sleigh rides, and even dog sledding. You can also visit a reindeer farm or explore the Nutcracker Museum, which has an impressive collection of 7,000 nutcrackers. Don't miss the annual Christkindl Market for handmade gifts and warm cups of Blue Line spiced wine. Leavenworth, Washington, truly captures the festive spirit and provides a magical Christmas experience. Next stop, Woodstock, Vermont. This charming New England town transforms into a festive scene, reminiscent of a Hallmark movie during the holiday season. The highlight is the annual Wassail Weekend on the second Saturday of December, featuring a parade with horse-drawn carriages, historic farmhouse tours, local shopping, breakfast with Santa, and the grand lighting of the town's tree. The Snow Sculpture Festival showcases artistic talent with live carvings, and the Woodstock Inn and Resort is a picturesque lodging option. Now let's go to Vail, Colorado, known as one of the country's top ski resorts. During the holidays, Vail becomes a captivating winter wonderland nestled in the mountains. The town's European-style homes are beautifully decorated with festive lights, creating a Christmas storybook dream. Enjoy skiing during the day and return to the town's cozy atmosphere in the evening, with events like sleigh rides and festive shopping. Vail's Christmas spirit, coupled with its scenic beauty, makes it a delightful destination for the season. At number 4, we have Stockbridge, Massachusetts, a picturesque town that looks like a Norman Rockwell painting, especially during the holidays. Every year, the town recreates Rockwell's iconic 1967 painting, Stockbridge Main Street at Christmas. Join in the festive Home for Christmas celebration, featuring historic house tours, caroling, horse-drawn carriage rides, a chance to meet Santa, vintage cars lining the streets, and a reenactment of Rockwell's painting on Sunday afternoons. Stockbridge's cozy inns and excellent dining options make it an ideal holiday escape, especially for fans of Norman Rockwell's art. For number 5, let's head to Franklin, Tennessee, where the annual Dickens of a Christmas Festival in historic downtown Franklin takes you back in time. This Christmas village brings characters from A Christmas Carol and Oliver Twist to life over a weekend of festivities. With over 200 musicians and dancers, visitors can stroll through the Victorian village, savoring Christmas treats from the era and enjoying carolers' melodies. Before meeting Father Christmas, engage in conversations with characters like Jacob Marley or Ebenezer Scrooge. The event also features a Victorian Christmas village, carriage rides, and a maker's village. If you love the spirit of Dickens' A Christmas Carol, Franklin, Tennessee is the perfect town for you. Now, let's check St. Augustine, Florida, where Christmas is surprisingly magical despite the warm weather. The city's historic district lights up with 3 million twinkling white bulbs for the annual Nights of Lights festival. You can enjoy this dazzling display through trolley rides, train journeys, boat cruises, helicopter tours, horse-drawn carriage rides, or on foot. The best part is that you can experience the whole show without needing heavy winter clothes. On the second Saturday of December, there's a festive boat parade called the Holiday Regatta of Lights along Matanzas Bay. You can also visit the St. Augustine Lighthouse for a unique lighting display and a chance to meet Santa Claus during his annual visit. 7th on the list is Natchitoches, Louisiana, a small town, but with a big Christmas celebration. The holiday preparations start in June, with over 300,000 lights and 100 riverbank decorations tested for the Festival of Lights. Established in 1714 as Louisiana's oldest settlement, the town hosts an annual Christmas festival that has grown significantly over the years. It's now considered one of the best Christmas towns in the U.S. During the 6-week holiday festival, you can explore the National Historic Landmark District in a horse-drawn carriage, shop at Louisiana's oldest general store, enjoy eggnog and daiquiris from a drive-through beverage barn, taste the town's famous meat pies, and watch fireworks over Cane River Lake. At number 8, Grapevine, Texas, the Christmas capital of the state, which ensures a festive experience. Located just outside Dallas, this charming town celebrates the holiday season with over 40 days of events. The entire city is lit up with millions of Christmas lights and decorations. The Gaylord Texan Resort adds to the spectacle with impressive displays, including ice sculptures and slides featuring 2 million pounds of ice, 2 million twinkling lights, 15,000 ornaments, and a towering 100-foot Christmas tree. Activities like the North Pole Express train ride, a festive parade, and outdoor screenings of Christmas films keep the holiday spirit alive. 9th on the list is Duluth, Minnesota, a must-visit for those who love enchanting Christmas light displays. The festivities begin with the Christmas City of the North Nighttime Parade on the Friday before Thanksgiving. This lively event includes marching bands, businesses, dance groups, and Santa Claus. Bayfront Park hosts one of the biggest Christmas trees during the Bentleyville Tour of Lights, a drive-through light show with over 4 million colorful bulbs. The 128-foot tall centerpiece tree is surrounded by immersive Christmas scenes for visitors to walk through and capture in photos. For a unique experience, hop aboard the Christmas City Express, a vintage train adorned with holiday lights, offering a scenic ride along Lake Superior's coast. It's a delightful experience for both adults and kids, featuring breathtaking views and festive Christmas music. Now let's get to the 10th place on our list, the North Pole, Alaska. Christmas is a year-round celebration, making it a perfect fit for this list. The town is home to Christmas and Santa Claus, offering a festive experience throughout the year. At Santa Claus House, visitors can meet Santa, get personalized letters, and take pictures with the world's largest 50-foot Santa statue. The town is adorned with Christmas lights all year, and the streets have festive names like Mistletoe Lake and Kris Kringle Drive. The annual Christmas parade on Santa Claus Lane adds to the holiday atmosphere. The North Pole also hosts a yearly Christmas and ice exhibit featuring impressive ice sculptures from artists worldwide, including an ice maze and slide. This Alaskan town truly embodies Christmas in every aspect. And there you have it, everyone. Pick your choice. Christmas is just around the corner, so we hope you found some places you think can best celebrate your season of giving at. If you know other places, share with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world, only here at Luxury Mindset. See you in the next video.